Today I'm passing through Strader, Illinois. And as you see, I'm standing in front of a sculpture of Pluto. So a man by the name of Clyde Tombaugh was born near here in the little town of Reading. He attended the Strader High School. He became interested in astronomy. I'll show you a picture here. So after building and developing several telescopes, he studied the Percival-Lowell reckonings, and he discovered the 9th planet that we call Pluto. So here is a sculpture honoring Clyde Tombaugh in Strader, Illinois. Get a picture of the plaque. You can pause the video and read all the information. Like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Pappy out.